In this video, we will cover many aspects related to the basic search feature on Anstrex Native platform. Basic search allows you to search multiple fields related to a creative using a single or multiple keywords. You can invoke basic search by clicking on the search button on the top right corner. This button will create a modal window as shown on the screen. As you can see, the basic search modal window has a keyword field and multiple radio buttons. Each radio button corresponds to a particular field that can be searched. Let's understand each one with examples. Creative text. Every native creative has a text field. You can search for any keywords in this field using this radio button. Let's type the word weight to get ads related to weight management. As you can see, many results are pertaining to the weight management vertical. However, there are some ads that are not related to this niche, as weight is a fairly broad term. You can get more specific by typing an additional keyword, loss. This will cause the search engine to find creatives with both these words in the creative text field, as you can see. As evident, the search results also get more specific because of this additional keyword. Now, let's look at translated text option. The creative text field is not in English for majority of creatives that are from non-English speaking countries. Anstrex platform translates all such text fields into English. This radio button allows you search the English translated text field to search non-English creative text using English keywords. Let's try this. We will use the same phrase, weight loss, and search translated text. The results page, as expected, returns various creatives which are not in English. However, you are able to now search non-English creatives using an English keyword in weight loss vertical. This is an extremely powerful feature that is exclusively available on Anstrex. Next is the landing page URL option. This field can be searched in novel ways, as it allows you to search for the full URL, including all the URL parameters. Here are some examples on how to quickly find affiliate ad campaigns. We will use the keyword affiliate because this word is present in many affiliate URLs. As you can see from the results, we see the word affiliate present as a parameter in the URL, indicating that these campaigns are run by affiliates. Another commonly used parameter for affiliate links is AFF_ID. We can also employ this keyword to search for affiliate campaigns. Again, the results show the presence of this parameter in the URL. As evident from the results, you can use this search feature effectively for affiliate campaigns. The next searchable field that is available in basic search is landing page domain. This field name field can be used to find your competitors' campaigns and creatives, assuming that you know the domain name. You can also use this to find ads for a particular brand. For example, I can search for all the creatives that point to Babbel.com, which sells products related to language learning. As mentioned in the previous video, many native ad networks identify the publisher sites by unique IDs, also known as widget IDs. You can search the publishers by using the widget ID option, and the results will show you the ads for that particular publisher. For example, here I am going to paste a known widget ID for Rev Content Ad Network, and the results will show you all the ads in our database that were seen on that publisher's site. Last but not the least is Creative URL Chains field. In many cases, the link provided by the advertiser gets redirected from one URL to another. A most common example is the advertiser using a URL shortening service such as bit.ly. Another common example is many affiliate tracking platforms use a redirect link to record affiliate sales. For example, ClickBank Affiliate Network redirects its affiliate links from clickbank.net domain. Let's do a search for the presence of clickbank.net in the URL chain to find ClickBank affiliate campaigns. As you can see, we get various results with URL chains showing redirection from clickbank.net domain to various product page. Before I conclude this tutorial on basic search, I would also like to add that you can use any of the drop-down filters with basic search as shown on your screen. You can disable the search expression anytime by clicking on the X button next to search label or use Reset All button to remove all the filters and searches. I hope I was able to demonstrate how powerful the basic search tool is on Anstrex platform with the examples included in this video. See you again in the next tutorial video. Until then, cheers!